How to enable Google Wallet shortcut on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. So if you want to add wallet shortcut, so just click on this icon and click on no app. So after click on no app, click on this plus icon. Scroll down. So if you want to add Google Wallet app, so you will see wallet app is here. So click on wallet app. So after click on wallet, so click on done. After click on done, you will see Google Wallet app is add on lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add Google Wallet shortcut on lock screen for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.